Alright guys, someone wanted me to do a bike check, so I'm going to do that, and this is also a little bit of an update. What was I going to say? Some people were talking to me, they wanted to know how to do the disc scratch thing with my mouth or whatever. So what you do is you're going to make your hand like that, like an F almost, like type shape, and just basically do that and then put your thumb up against it. Then you want to put your lips like right in the crevice right there, so like this. And then I don't know if you could see that or not, but and then what I do is I breathe in, and then just like breathing in harder makes it go higher pitch or lower pitch and crap like that. So this is how it should sound. Just keep practicing it, because mine sound like crap at first. They sound like this. That's what they sound like at first. But then if you keep practicing them, they'll sound good. Oh, I gotta lip my lips. And you just use your tongue to make the different beats. Second of all, someone said they think they're better than me, or they think that I'm better at park than street. Yes, I am, because for one, I have only rode park, and I'm starting to ride street now because I want to get basic tricks down. Also today, I got my first top 180 over two boards, and then someone else asked me something else, I just can't remember. But I'll just go on to a bike check, see if I remember. Alright, start off. These are just the Fit stock VH1 bars. With the Fit stock VH1, I don't know, the Fit team grips. Kind of like ODIs, that's what they feel like. Just bought these. The Fit metal bar ends. Bought those at a shop. Animal Jump Off Remix stem, purple. Integrated, just stock. And then, let's see, stock front rim, stock spokes, don't know what kind of spokes it came with, stock hub, everything. Stock tire, I really like these Fit tires, they're really nice. Stock peg, so a lot of stuff on my bike is stock. Then you got the Fit VH1, that's the frame. Stock cranks, stock pedals. These actually come loose every once in a while because I had to flip my cranks around when I got a left-hand drive, and I didn't want to spend the money to buy a new one. The Animal LITE or whatever chain wheel, LITE V2, KMC chain or whatever it is, I don't even know. Sorry, this isn't super great, I just don't even know half my parts. Stock rim, and then these are the PRIMO spokes that I laced this wheel myself with the ALIENATION V2 FREECOASTER and a MUTINY gold hub guard with a new Flybikes CHROMOLY, or however you say it, I don't even want to pronounce it, peg, really nice, they're really light and thin. Regular seat posts and Fit seat, I really like. Sorry you can't really see much, but I don't have much anywhere else to really record right now. But yeah, that's my bike. I'm trying to think of some comments people made. Oh, funniest comment of the week, one of the guys said, 10 reasons why girls should like BMXers. And then, yeah, playing my brother in NHL 11. Sold him my Xbox and TV. And then, what else? Oh, I'm gonna start doing like vlog things like Marcus Hewitt, and I already asked him. He said it was alright if I did it, because I'm not really gonna be copying it as much. I'm not gonna be talking about one subject. It's gonna be a couple different ones. And I did get ads on 3 of my videos. But me and Marcus Pewitt are still working with AdSense. It's being a pain. Don't know what's going on right now. And then, let's see, what else? Gonna start trying to do stream more. Gonna try to get a new camera. But yeah, that's basically all I have right now. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.